Hello buyers! Home inspection and appraisal. So, what is the difference between the two? Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. When you decide to buy your first home, you may have a general idea on what a home inspection is, but maybe you are not sure why you need one or how it is different from an appraisal. Let us explore the two so you as a buyer can be more informed about the process and how it benefits you as a consumer. With a home inspection, once your offer is accepted, getting an inspection is a key part of the process. A home inspection will give you an idea of the safety and overall condition of the home and more importantly foresee any unexpected repairs. Realtor.com reports a home inspection is something that protects your financial interest in what will be likely be the largest purchase you make in your life and one where you need as much information as possible. If anything comes up questionable in the inspection like HVAC system or appliances, that will give you the opportunity to negotiate any replacements or repairs. Now let us talk about the home appraisal. The home appraisal is a report your lender will most likely request and it will give you the home's value based on comparables in the neighborhood. According to real estate website Bankrate, an appraisal verifies that the sale price of the home is in line with fair market value. This ensures that the home buyer does not pay for more than the home is worth. Bottom line, both the inspection and the appraisal are different but equally important when buying a home. It is always important to discuss these two contingencies with your agent so you can have an expert guidance on your purchase and strategize your offer. Please reach out to my team and me for more detailed information on the appraisal and home inspection process and how we can help you to find your perfect home. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar here committed to helping buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. I love what I do and my clients love my work. Thanks and have a nice day.